Hello guys, welcome to this other video of Brian Demystify. So here in this question we have been asked to sketch and find the Laplace transform of this function f of t. So let's just get started. So we shall first start with the first part. So the first part deals with sketching. That we should sketch. So let's sketch. So we'll be sketching a function f of t on the y-axis against an x-axis, which is a function of f of t against time. So as we can see, they say that for t greater than or equals to 1, this function exists. Okay, this u of t minus 1 is just simply a unit step function. Okay, means that in this unit step function, it's just simply that this is just simply a unit step function. Okay, this is just simply a unit step function, means that we have to take a unit step function when t is equals to 1. Okay, it's just as if we were equating this guy to be equals to 0, and you will have, if you take t minus 1 to be equals to 0, you see that t is equals to 1. So you come here on your x-axis and you take t when t is equals to 1. And since we can clearly see that this is a quadratic function, is a quadratics, so we can take the functions to be like a parabolic, to be a, so if we have something like this, okay, we can have a function, a graph like that. Okay, and then now they say that for t greater than or equals to 0, for t greater than or equals to 0, this function exists, and for t less than 1, this is t, for t less than 1, no function exists. Okay, so mean that for t less than 1, let us extrapolate. If we extrapolate to this point, okay, for t less than 1, we have no function exists, mean that there will be no function. This graph wouldn't exist. And now for t greater than or equals to 1, this function will exist. Means that it's as if you were like cutting. I think this guy will disappear, and you'll be left only with this curve to represent your function f of t. Okay, so let us represent it down. T1 c times to 1 of t is f of t. So you'll be left with a curve like that. Okay, we'll be left with a curve like this. So let us, that's a sketch. So let us go to the second part. The second part deals with finding the Laplace transform of that function. Okay, this is a function. So let us find the Laplace transform of the function. So the Laplace transform of t squared minus 2t plus 2 of u of t minus 1. Okay, so in here is very easy. We will just apply the formulas. Okay, the formula state that if we have the Laplace transform of a function, say g of t, of u of t minus 1 is equals to e to the power negative a of s. Sorry, here should be a. Okay, sorry, here should be a. In bracket, the Laplace transform of g of t plus a. Okay, So we shall apply this formula. The Laplace transform of a function g of t of u of t minus 1 will be equals to what? E negative a of s times the Laplace transform of the function g use the function g. Anywhere that you see t, take now t plus that a. Okay, so let us apply. So it means that the Laplace transform of t square minus 2t plus 2 of u of t minus 1. Our a, this is our g of t, this is our, okay, our a here is 1. Are you seeing? Our g of t is this, is our g of t, the quadratics. So this will be equals to e to the negative a. What is our a? 1. 1 of s, Laplace transform of g. Anywhere that you see t, you replace it by what? T plus 1. Okay, so this is our g. Anywhere that we see t, we shall replace t by what? T plus a. T plus a. Our a is what? 1. Okay, our a is 1. So 1 is equals to a. Okay, so that we shall have t plus what? T plus 1 all square. Okay, minus 2 in bracket t plus 1. Okay, plus 2. Okay, so that's what we will be having. So this is equals to e negative 1 times s is negative s, the Laplace transform of, if you expand this, we shall have t squared plus 2t plus 1. Okay, we expand minus 2t, we expand minus 2 plus 2. Okay, minus 2 cancel this cancel this. You'll be left with what? You'll be left with t squared plus 1. So you have e to the negative s Laplace transform of t squared plus 1. Okay, we then expand. So the Laplace transform of t squared is what? We have e to the minus s, the Laplace transform of t squared plus the Laplace transform of 1. The Laplace transform of t squared is what? Is 2 factorial all over s to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, plus the Laplace transform of a constant is what? 1 all over s. Okay, all this times e to the negative s. Okay, our final solution is e to the minus s in bracket 2 factorial. 2 factorial is the same like 2 times 1. Okay, so you have 2 times 1, 2 all over s to the power 3 plus 1 all over s. So that's the answer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give comments, and support the channel. Thanks.